Hi, this is Juile Heifner from Lakes Area Realty. We've all heard location, location, location is the most important thing in real estate. Well, this home is close to the elementary school, the middle school, and the university. 10 minutes from driveway to highway. It doesn't get much better than that until now. Most clients are asking for move-in ready. Well, here it is. This home was rebuilt from the studs out. Everything is new. New roof, new siding, new windows, new floors, new doors, new ceilings, new walls, new paint, new everything. This house is brand new and ready for you. So give me a call at 715-410-9021 and let's do your personal tour before this house is SOLD. I'm Juile Heifner with Lakes Area Realty, bringing people and properties together in the St. Croix Valley.